What's up, my people? This is your boy BMAFRICA. Wow, just see the sun. Wow, I love it. I love the sun, man. Just look at it, man. So today, guys, I'm just going home, and you can see I'm from this side, so I'm going the other side, and I just want to show you. Can you see? That's our heritage there. You see some animals moving up there. Let me just move it closer so that you can see. Wow, you see, we have a lot of things to do, man. Yeah, our heritage, our animals are everywhere, and this is my bike right there. If you can see, I've been moving a lot, and there's a lot of oh my god, it was very hot. Yeah, it damaged my sugar, so it's an opening, so I have to fix the cable, Wow, this one plug. So let me try to fix the plug there. This is the road. You see, the road is look like it's very nice, man. Let's look at it. So this is a bush, and you can see up there we have some gazelle moving up there. If you can see, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, just look at it. This is how everything is, man. I think this is a blessing from God, man, being here. So today I just want to show you just a little, and this is my bike. This is a moving machine. Yeah, you see the smoke coming out. Wow, this is how everything is. Just look at it. Wow, the bike is there. Wow, man. Yeah. See the road there? So you're trying to figure out to show you a little things. So I don't know where can I take you around tomorrow. See some vehicles coming. Yo me. This everything is. Yummy. Wow, that's a tourist vehicle coming. Wow, can you see the sun? Wow, just see, look at it. Yeah, that's a tourist vehicle. Wow. See, they are going to Masai Mara. So next time, when I'll take you there and just see the little things, maybe the balloon safaris, how they work. So I have a lot to show you guys, but step by step, I just want to we figure out. I'll just figure out, then I'll show you little things. Wow, this is how everything is. Maybe I take you around for a little. This place is very quiet, but you can hear only the sound of the birds. The birds everywhere there. You see? Wow, just see the sun. Wow, I love it, man. Just look at it, man. Wow, this kind of blessing, guys. I love being here in Africa. Wow. So, hello, guys. This is your boy BM Africa. Yeah, I'm coming live from Masai Mara, Kenya. And this is the way. It's just a minute to Masai Mara, not far from here. Just a minute. So I'm just thinking what I'll take. Maybe from next week I'll just trying to take you inside the manyatas everywhere, because I'm just learning through this road. I just want to show you the roads first of all, how the roads look like. The road is super nice. There is no damages in the road. If you can see, this road, man. Wow. Yeah, actually, I like being here in Africa. Yeah, it's a heritage. You know, look at it. There's some hills up there. Wow. And this the machine. Hold machine. We call it hold as gold, you know? Yeah, man. Just look at it. This our environment look like. Just look at the other side. So Narok is over there. Narok town. It's far from here, man. Yeah. Narok town is far from here. Wow. You see some vehicle coming this way. Wow. Oh, man. Just look at the sun, guys, man. You see the sun coming? Wow. So the reason you don't see the animals, wild animal right now here, is because it's been raining. When it's not raining, it's desert. You can see the all animals coming, even here at the road. You see, so some vehicle are going to Masai Mara, like you see. So let me check it a little if I have let me check my tank if I have what do you call this, fuel, so that I can try to take you just around to see some places that you have never seen before. Wow. So yeah, okay, let's just me pour this one down a little so that I can take yeah. So first of all, I would just want to let me put just here a little more. Oh, but I'll try to do like this. Oh, like this. Oh, yeah. So let me try that. Then after that, we go, man. I just want to start this one. So I have to very bit careful, man. So I want to start the bike off fast before we go. So like this. Oh my god. So this is how I start my bike now. Can you see? Yeah, man. So I just want to start the bike right now. Oh, sorry. It's this way. Yeah, it's this way. So yeah, man. All right. Let me try to start the bike. Oh, oh my god. It's not starting. That's a problem, maybe. Let's try one more. Spoiling the shoes. All right. So what am I doing? Let me try to push the shock tab. Maybe it can start. Yeah. Let me try like this. So again. Wow, this is beautiful, man. So we are going right now. No worries. So let me try to push the glass. I'm holding the phone. Let me try to push the clutch inside so that we can see what is going on here. Guatemala. See there? Inside we go. Yeah, at the same time I'm trying to get you out to ride the motorbike. And also, yeah, putting the pictures on the same time. Do this, I am pretty good. Just drive you around so that you can see different things that I've never seen before. You guys. Oh wow, that's a park for you there. Yeah, we have a school here. School. Just look at this. We have a school here. We have a church here. Welcome to Africa! Now everything is look at you see there? There Toyota products. They are taking the goods to the market. I'll take you later to the market because today is on Sunday, Saturday. So I'll take you to the market. We have a lot of cars today and motorbikes. Go to the market today. Like I told you before, no heritage here, no heritage. How everything is. Look at this. Guys, you remember this place? This is where my motorbike, when I was trying to go to the other side and the fuel in my tank was empty, you know? It was this place, you know? Wow. Yeah, you remember that houses, you know. Some motorbike, they are going to the market today. And now we back to take you to the market, right? share, support the village boy. Wow, I love Africa, man. I love it. Are you sure about that? So they're taking the gold and silver and gold to the market. So we're going for 1 pound, right? Let's go, let's go. Take your time, guys. Okay? Sit down. Look the village boy traveling with a whole old motorbike. Doesn't have even the... Wow! Let me take you just see, man. It's a place, guys. Look at it, look at it. Wow! This is how everything is. So I have to put it. I have to switch off the motorbike so that you can see how everything is. Just look at the road. Okay? We're traveling to Naimara. Road is just like this, man. Wow. So look, there's the Manyata over there. The sun is coming. So this is how everything is. I'm trying to show you just a little about the life here. Oh, so yummy. Wow, wow. Just see, this place is very developed, you know. All is because of the tourists.